'Tis the season, my money peeps. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey, my name is Tanya, aka Money and Nails, and today we have some Happy Mail to unbox. So let's go. The first package that we have is from Budget and Things off of Etsy. Okay, let's see here. You are a total rock star. Yes. Thank you, girl. And looks like she gave me a placeholder. Oh, this is cute. It has like glitter on it and it's laminated. Love that. Love it. And I had ordered a dashboard for my A6 binder. Let's get this out. And I thought this was cute because it has like a little message on both sides. Beauty inside and out. And this is heart and soul. On the other side, sweet, smile, love, and laughter. Motivation quotes right here. Because yes, we are all beautiful inside and out. Thank you very much. And then I had ordered some cash envelopes. And this is a cute little money bag. I have some ideas for what I'm going to use this for. Super cute. Love it. And then these are the envelopes. Now I saw this and the colors just reminded me of fall. Even though it was cold outside like it's winter. And I thought these would be really cute. So of course, these are my normal categories. We have gas, groceries, takeout, miscellaneous, and snacks. So these are A7 size envelopes, which will work perfectly in my wallet. So thank you so much, Budget and Things. Super cute. I will have her shop listed down in my description. So let's grab our next package. The next package that we have is from Two Sister Bees. Now, I saw this being unboxed on YouTube, and I was like, this is just too cute. So what I saw was a saving challenge, and it was coffee related, because y'all know coffee is my jam. Okay, so what was included was this cute saving challenge for October, and it says it has $1 per apple, $3 per acorn, and then $5 per pumpkin. So super cute. Always love saving challenges. But for the main event, this was a scratch off that I saw. Now I had her add in coffee date right here, but I thought this would be perfect for my coffee sinking fund. So the total amount that this comes to is $100. So perfect. And then she also provided an envelope for money for, I'm assuming for this saving challenge right here. And she included this card, so cute. Reflect on your year with a joyful heart. There is so much to be grateful for. So true, so very true. And then she also included this little leaf. It looks like it might be a scratch off. I'm assuming that is right there. But we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put this in my saving challenge binder. I wonder if this will fit in the, no, I don't think that will fit in the A6 envelope. So let's do this. This is my 2023 saving challenge. If you have not seen this, I put an empty envelope in here. So we're gonna add that right into here. As part of my saving challenge. All right. next package I have is from Cash Designs by Courtney. And I saw Christmas envelopes, so you know I had to order them. So a nice thank you card. So my same categories as before: miscellaneous, eating out, groceries, gas, and snacks. But look at these. These are perfect for the Christmas season. You got your snowflakes. I mean, ones that look like candy cane. Perfect for the holiday season. I will go live in my wallet with these on December 1st. And she provided some cute little freebies. This is Home Sweet Home. And then this one says, never forget how capable you are. I need to put that in my wallet ASAP. So thank you, Courtney. These are adorable. Now, we did have a little mishap with the mail system, and the tracking number did not update. So we figured that the package got lost in the mail. So Courtney was nice enough to redo it. And guess what? All in one day, I got 2. So what I think I'm going to do is I'll probably do a giveaway and give away the second set of these envelopes. So I will let you know when I do that. All right, thanks guys for allowing me to share my items with you. Now, don't forget to go check out these great shops. The links will be down in my description. Go show them some love. Remember, sharing is caring. And until next time, guys, see ya.